Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past. Can't remember the exact last time I did it, but that was where that green line there is coming from. And today, very rough day. In the world of trading, this is what we would call a gap and trap, where the price gapped up, actually ran a little bit. Some poor souls bought right there. And then from there, it was basically just a bear trap as the remainder of the day, the price just went, further and further downwards. So a lot of updates here need to be made, and just kind of as far as new key focal points to keep an eye on. The first level to keep an eye on as far as a support standpoint is concerned is going to be this pink line right here, which on my chart denotes the 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic, very surface deep understanding of technical analysis and charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you do want to see it act as support, assuming, of course, you're long, because it is a very, common level. You can argue, well, it's all self-fulfilling prophecy. Well, then so be it. If there's a self-fulfilling prophecy out there, then I personally would want to know where that self-fulfilling prophecy is at. And a lot of times that can occur right down here around that level. My point is that it's a very important technical level, and now the price isn't quite there, but it's definitely getting within range of it. In the event the price goes down there and cannot hold above that pink line, next key overall area of support, not until down around $4.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that pink line, I'm not saying within 20 minutes the price is going to be down to that area. But like I said, technically speaking, there just aren't any other areas of support between there. So it would not be that shocking at all to see the price do kind of a slow methodical grind down to that area. However, I'm probably getting too far ahead of myself, because as it stands right now, that pink line hasn't even been tested as support. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the key area to watch going forward in the event there is any sort of turnaround is going to be that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Right now, yes, it is valued at $5.11, but remember, keyword being moving, so that value is going to move and change over time. So just kind of keep an eye out for that. However, as it stands right now, in my opinion at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to stabilize and build some sort of higher base, preferably up above that 200 period moving average. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.